Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can change Hey Siri to something else. So this new update, or like in iOS 17, there's this new feature where you don't have to say Hey Siri to call Siri. You can just say Siri and it'll appear as well. But it's only available for iOS 17. So if you're not an iOS 17 user, it's not going to work. But if you have an iOS 17, then you can follow the step. Just hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. First thing, you want to open your settings. Once you open up your iPhone settings, scroll a bit down until you see this option called Siri and search. Click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to this page. And on this page, you can clearly see the first option where it says listen for. So my listen for is off, so you want to click on listen for. And once you click on listen for, it's going to show you three options. If it is off, then whether you say Hey Siri or Siri, it's not going to listen to. So you want to choose the top option where it says Siri or Hey Siri or Hey Siri. If you choose that option, then you can even say Hey Siri, or you can just say Siri. Siri will listen and it'll basically just open up. So let's say I choose the first option, then I can just say this, Siri, what's the weather? And it's going to reply to me. I don't have to say, Hey Siri, what's the weather? Alright? So you cannot choose what you want to say, like you cannot change from Siri to Bixby, or you cannot give it name. It's still going to be Siri, but it's going to be changed from Hey Siri to Siri, which means you just don't have to say the word hey. Alright, so that's how you guys can change your Hey Siri to something else on your iPhone. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I will see you guys next time.